Good evening to everyone. Now today it's our last lecture on the vowels. So the last vowel is U. Hello Noise, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. So what you are going to teach us today?
Short and long sound of U.
Okay Noise, what is the short sound of U? And what is the long sound of U? U, because we know that the long sound of every vowel is its own sound. Alright?
Yes.
Okay, read all the words with their sounds.
Cut, cut, you, mut, mut, mute, cup, you, tube.
Very good.
Duck, duke. Huge. Tune.
Very well. Okay, now there are so many other ways in which we can say the long sound of U. As you can see that there are CVC pattern, and in CVC pattern there are some words. Read. Fluff, U,
Flute. Flute.
flute, flute,
Flute.
flute,
Flute.
fuse.
Mule. Pure.
Okay. Now E and W, when E and W comes together, they make the long sound of U. So EW makes the sound of EW is U. The sound of EW is
U.
U. Now read out these words.
Dew, for you, new.
Very well, Noise. Well done. So there are some other ways in which we can say the long sound of U, and we will discuss these sounds in our next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, say bye bye, Noise. Bye bye.